How to deposit checks with Truist Mobile Check Deposit. So in order to deposit a check with Truist Mobile, you just want to sign into a Truist Mobile app, select deposit, then choose your account, agree to terms, and then take clear photo of the endorsed check. So what you want to do is, first thing first, log into your Truist Mobile app. Alright, so once you're logged into your account, you then need to go ahead and click on deposit check section. So just tap on the menu or the deposit tab on the bottom bar, accept the remote deposit capture terms and conditions. Then you have to select the account you want to deposit in, after which you just want to place the check on a flat surface and follow the app's instruction to take a clear photo of the front and the back of it as well. Once you've taken a clear picture of the check, you could then go ahead and flip the check and take the photo of the back, ensuring your endorsement is visible. Then you need to confirm the deposit amount. And what next you want to do is, after you've confirmed the deposited amount, you need to go ahead and confirm and submit your deposit as well. If the check seems to be valid enough and clear, then it's going to be accepted and deposit on its own. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.